Amir Ali. Amir Ali, clappings for him. Next candidate Ashraf became ready after him.
Start with the great name of Allah, is the most kind and most merciful. Respectable teachers and my dear friends. Today my speech topic is mother. पूछता है जब कोई के दुनिया में मोहब्बत है कहाँ, मुस्कुरा देता हूँ वो याद आती है माँ. Mother is best personality on the world and she is the gift of God. Every mother is important for her child. Mother is, she is not whole life of her child, but she is big part of it. She taught him that she taught him how to handle these feelings of fear, anger, guilt, joy, and sadness. She also showed him that how to give and take. I learned from her that giving is a lot harder than taking. She has been giving me what I need. I think that my mother was sent to guide me and show the right way. And last I would say something and take my seat. माँ की दुआ खाली नहीं जाती, उसकी बदुआ टाली नहीं जाती. माँ की दुआ खाली नहीं जाती, उसकी बदुआ टाली नहीं जाती. बर्तन मांझ कर भी माँ 3-4 बच्चे पाली लेती है, लेकिन 3-4 बच्चे से एक माँ नहीं पाली जाती. थैंक यू.